You can say very firm things if your voice is low and slow. It's not what you say, it's how you say it. Rude people want a reaction. If you get angry, they win. If you stay calm, you win. We have all been there. We are having a perfectly normal day, and then boom. Someone makes a snide comment, a coworker undermines you, or a family member asks a question that is just offensive. Your heart starts racing. You want to snap back. You want to win the argument. But stop. Here is the truth. Getting angry does not make you look strong. It just makes you look like them. That's all. Today I'm going to teach you how to handle rude people with absolute elegance. I'll show you how to disarm them without ever raising your voice. Hello and welcome back. My name is Lucine, and on this channel we are mastering the art of elegance and social intelligence. Now, today, perhaps dealing with rudeness is the ultimate test of etiquette. Many people think being elegant means you have to be a doormat. You have to just smile and take the abuse. Absolutely not. True elegance is about boundaries. It's about protecting your peace so fiercely that no one else's bad mood can ruin yours. Let's look at 4 psychological tricks to handle disrespect like a pro. The first strategy is the easiest, but it takes the most self-control. It's the power of silence. When someone says something rude to you, your instinct is to answer immediately. Instead, do nothing. Let's say someone says, "Wow, you look really tired today." Instead of defending yourself and saying, "Well, I didn't sleep much," just look at them. Look at them for 3 full seconds. Do not smile, do not frown, just look. This silence creates a vacuum. It makes the rude person feel incredibly awkward. And after that, usually they will start stumbling to fill the silence and saying something like, "I just meant you work hard." Strategy number 2. Ask them to repeat themselves. If someone makes a passive-aggressive joke or an insult, pretend you didn't hear it properly. Look confused and say, "I'm so sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you please repeat that again?" By forcing them to say it a second time, you strip away the humor and expose rudeness. 90% of the time, they will say, "Oh, never mind." This is my absolute favorite because it is the ultimate high road move. Treat rudeness as a symptom of their pain, not your problem. If a cashier or stranger snaps at you, instead of snapping back, just pause and ask, genuinely with concern, "Are you okay? You seem incredibly stressed today." This flips the script. You are no longer the victim of their anger, but rather the superior offering help. And it's very hard to stay mean to someone who is asking you, "Are you okay?" Finally, if the person is a family member or someone you cannot escape, just use this subject change. Imagine your relative says, "When are you finally going to get a real job?" And you say, "I'm actually happy with my career, thank you. By the way, this cake is delicious. Did you bake it?" You put up a boundary, close the door and open the window. Clean, simple and classy. Before you go, remember these quick reminders. First, do not take the bait. Rude people want a reaction. If you get angry, they win. If you stay calm, you win. Second, watch your tone. You can say very firm things if your voice is low and slow. It's not what you say, it's how you say it. And finally, please mind, it's not about you. Usually when people are rude, it's a reflection of their unhappiness. Handling rudeness takes practice, but once you master it, you become untouchable. I want to hear from you. What is the rudest thing someone has said to you recently, and how did you handle it? Let's share our stories in the comments below. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more on modern elegance. Stay calm, stay classy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!